Okay, the second half of the worksheet. A distance from the seismic station from the epicenter is 2,000 kilometers away. So they want you to identify the interval of the P and S waves. So here's 2,000. We're using this side first now. We're going to come up here where 2,000 is and mark the S wave and the P wave. And then we could just come down here, put the P at 0. So that's 3 minutes and 20 seconds, exactly. 3 minutes, it's right here, and 20 seconds. Okay. Next one, this is B. The epicenter of the earthquake is 7,200 kilometers away from the seismic station. Identify the time interval between the P and the S wave. So there's 7,200 kilometers. So we're all the way over here on this side of the page. 7,200. So 7,200 is this line. Just gonna slide this up here and mark where the P wave hits the paper and where the S wave hits the paper. So the P wave hits here, the S wave hits here. And now I'm gonna take this over to this side, go to 0 and put the P at the 0. And the S wave is here. If I'm rounding, I would say 8 minutes and 40 seconds. If I wasn't rounding, maybe 8 minutes, not quite 50, like 48 seconds, but I'd round this. So 8 minutes and 40 seconds, 8 minutes, 48 seconds. Okay, just for practice, just for practice. And the last one, the distance between the epicenter and the seismic station is 4,650 kilometers. Identify the interval between P and S waves. 4,600, 4, 2, 4, 6. And then between, this is the challenge one. So between the 6 and the 8 would be 700. And then you want to go right in front of that. So if we split this box into 4s, it would be the first fourth of that box. So we're gonna go up 2, 4, 6. Here's a line here. And the first quarter would be maybe there of this box. This is nitpicking. On a test or a quiz, I'd make it exact. But I want you to think a little bit. Okay, then we bring it down to the 0. You see this? Zoom in a little bit. Okay, bring the P wave down to the 0 and the S there. And it's actually right on this first line above the 6. So it's 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. All right, hopefully you understand a little bit better. For homework today, you are gonna have a worksheet on this. So remember, if they're asking you the distance, if they give you the distance, you find the distance down here and mark the S and the P wave, and then bring it here and find the minutes. I'm sorry, I'm still zoomed in. So you find the distance here, bring this on the wave lines, mark the P and the S, and then bring it over here and find how many minutes it is. If they're asking you, they give you the time travel, that's when you bring your slip of paper over here, mark the time, and then slide it up and find the distance. Hope this helps.